Hello, my friends. I find out that there are a lot of people who want to know a little bit more about Project Gonka, but information are presented in such a way that it's really hard to find out what it's all about. So I will try to remove this gap. So I find out about this project from this interview. This is Margulan Sisimbayev, the guy, entrepreneur from Kazakhstan, multi-millionaire, and once he was a multi-billionaire. And these two guys, they're programmers from somewhere from Soviet Union, and a lot of years they live in USA, as I know. And this guy has a lot of money also. So, you know, these three people, they already have more money than they can spend. That is why they are ready to do a project that go beyond their lives, that when they can do something that they believe in what they believe. So it's a really great project, and this guy, they refuse to get $100 million for the project they started, because it's in the case if they agree about this, they will not be able to do the project the way they want. So this is what I like about this project. So let's talk about Gonka AI. What is this? It's AI like ChatGPT, and you see it's even look like ChatGPT. Now we're at the main page, of Gonka. And so now this is the Gonka AI. Nowadays it's really slow and a little bit stupid comparatively to ChatGPT, Perplexity, DeepSeek, name it. But in future, when it will be much better, and it's open source, so it will be affordable to everybody, and will not be a single company who control it and who set the price for this service. So it's a great idea. And now you see it's for normal people, but just for ordinary people, when you can chat, when you can do the same stuff that you can do with ChatGPT. But the most revenue from stuff like this, company who produce GPTs, they receive from, let's read documentation, they receive from developers, from the person who built their products on the base of AI. They connect their products with API and do запросы in English, how can I say it, ask this AI some questions and receive answer, and on the base of this answer they provide information to their users. So in future there will be a lot of demands for stuff like this, and people who will pay for this, it will be businesses with help of developers. So through developers they will create services on the base of this AI. But to make it possible, there should be infrastructure, and now we go, you see, it's to make IP is quite difficult. You should have a programmer knowledge here, so it's not for everybody, definitely. But I will try to explain it with simple words, because I'm not a programmer also, though I know a little bit more about this than the average person. So let's go further. So we already talked about developers, and to make it possible, there should be infrastructure. So there should be a special cards where all this AI will work. and these cards cost a lot. So let's see what type of cards, graphic cards, should be. You see, you can use this one, and on the bottom is the cheapest one. The price of the cheapest is several thousand US dollars, and the most expensive, for example, this one, A100, the price of this is about 25 or 30,000 US dollars. So it's quite expensive, and to make this project possible, you need millions stuff like this. So the infrastructure will cost billions, and electricity for this infrastructure will cost a lot also. And to make it, you should be either USA or China, or you should combine the efforts of all the rest of all people in the world who believe in this idea. And I believe in this idea and hope you will believe it also. So this is what graphic cards we need to make it possible. So, and we start host. So we already talked about developers and now about hosting. So to use these cards, you should make a lot of things. You should make a node. They call it node. So when you put some programming stuff inside these cards and connect it with Gonka network. So this is the instruction how to do it. You see, there is nothing simple here. You should be a professional in working with servers. You should know a lot and be quite experienced. So this is the way how you can earn, one of the way how you can earn Gonka coin. Because miners, for their work, because they either bought or rent these GPU, graphic processor units, they will receive money, not money, coins, Gonka coin from this project. The same way as Bitcoin was mined. With the only difference that Bitcoin was mined just wasting electricity. And here electricity will not be wasted. It will be spent for making useful tasks. So it's a huge difference with almost the same model of implementation on the world scale. So this is why I like it even more than Bitcoin. So what kind of model do they use? Actually, as I know, they didn't use DeepSeek yet. Use at the moment the smallest one, small one. But in the future, they will use the best possible open source model for this. So you see, to make your own node, it's quite difficult. So you should either buy this quite expensive stuff or you can rent it. So I created a Google Sheet where I collect some information with help of community, some information about prices for GPU. So these are the prices you can see. It's here. So maybe it's not correct, 100% correct. But if you have mistake or if you know where you can order it cheaper or more reliable, then you're welcome. Just write to me. Here is my contact, Telegram, Discord, and I will add it here. And if you want, I can even provide you an access to this table and you can add it by yourself. So this is one way when you do it all by yourself. So you should be quite experienced and know what you do. The other way is to join certain pools. So where people, just ordinary one, put their money together and buy this stuff rent the stuff and ask somebody to do this work for for you, let's say. But at the moment, as I know, there are no places where you can do without trust. So in future, it definitely will be places like this, and you will be able to put your money to pools without afraid to lose, without be afraid to lose your money. But nowadays it's just the beginning, so you should trust to people. So here I put several pools that I found. I'm more than sure that there are more pools than it's written here. And I just want to say that this is not a suggestion, so you should do whatever you want by yourself. So maybe some information here is incorrect, so it's not a financial advice, so do whatever you want. I just want to help the community to get information and not to get lost through a lot of decentralized information. So Mitch, this Russian-speaking people, so they created really good, as I feel, pool, and I invest to this pool a little bit by myself. So I hope everything will go well. We'll see. Anyway, next one. So you can read some. It's not actually only in Russian. Here, some information here. Maybe later I will ask guys, they will translate into English, or you can do it by yourself. Anyway, if you need help with joining this pool, you can write to me in Telegram and Discord, and I will try to help you. So next, Mingless Cloud. They have a web page there. You can go and check it. So it's one of the pool who made it first in English and made it like a web page. So next one, Harisho. They have a web page also, so you can go and check their what do they do. And as I know, you can communicate with them through Telegram chat. Telegram Gonka wallet. Actually, I tried this in my Telegram, and it actually doesn't look like a pool, because you cannot remove Gonka coin from there. They promise to give you only some other coins that supported by Telegram. It's maybe USDC, TON, by the price that will be at the moment when you get this money. But it will take 180 days till you get the money, because they have a lock period for 180 days. Like actually everywhere in every of this pool, they have 180 days lock period. So if you mine these coins today, you will be able to receive it just half year later. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is information I have at the moment. Okay, so I don't know, maybe it's not a real pool at the moment, but the idea is great. The idea is to implement Gonka to Telegram network. It's a really great idea, and implementation is good also. Maybe when you watch this video, they already change something in this direction. Maybe this project look a little bit more different and look more like pool. So just go and try. I like this project also. And this one, I find out about this project just today. So this guy from Russian-speaking community also, they created, you can look, these two guys, they created a place where you can start your node. You remember that one, that's really difficult to start, where you should have a special knowledge, and when you can start it with one click without knowledge, they will do the rest and you will pay just for this server. Actually, idea is great, and we'll see, maybe in the description of this video you will see the link for this service. I want to communicate with them, and I want to know what's the idea and at what level this project at the moment is. So next. So that's it. So now you know how you can earn, how you can mint the this coin, Gonka coin, and here is the service that was created by, again, Russian-speaking community people, where you can change your digital assets to Gonka. It's not quite simple because you need at least 2 wallets here. One of the wallets should be with Cosmos network. The most popular one is this Kelp, and the other, it can be MetaMask. And when you connect it, you can put an order to buy. Here you see, here you can, somebody want to buy Gonka for 2.8. Let's sell him. Let's sell him this Gonka for 2.8, just for fun, just you to see how it works. You want to 1 Gonka for 2.8. We will sell it. Now sell amount Gonka, confirm. So you will see how it's work. Approve. We should wait a little bit. Maybe it's not that quick. Failed to sell Gonka. Why? Maybe somebody already bought it. Maybe somebody already sell it. Or no. Let's try once again. Our wallet balance 1, next balance 3, amount 1. Now we should subscribe. This one and agree. Actually, I ask why is it showing up with the developer. Yes, that's it. Gonka sold successfully. And now we should claim it. So this is the difference between ordinary selling or buying. Where do we have it? Withdraw. We should withdraw not Gonka, we should withdraw USDC maybe. Because we sell it for USD. Yeah, this one. And we can set the price. Yeah, I choose the wrong wallet. So because USD in a different wallet. Ethereum. No, from hex balance, yeah, that's it, 2. Now we choose the same wallet, I hope. Okay. Have no idea how to do it, how to withdraw US dollars to my wallet again. Okay, so I show you how to buy it, and actually you can create an order if you want. You can, for example, if you want to buy it for 2.6, you can make an order here and maybe somebody will sell it. And if you want to buy, it's a little bit more easy than to withdraw. So you just press buy, then enter an amount, let's say 1 Gonka by 3 USD, then maybe buy, then subscribe, understand, approve. Okay, so Gonka bought successfully. So you see, we sell to somebody for 2.7 and buy for 3 USD, the same Gonka, but so I lost 30 cents for this video. And now let's try to withdraw. So we will withdraw Gonka from the from this wallet, from this service to my wallet. I hope this is my wallet. Confirm. China, ready, okay. Confirm. We'll wait a little bit and then this money will be at my wallet, somewhere here. And successful. Yes, now it's here. It was 300 and we'll sell 1 and receive 1 and buy 1. Okay, so this is a way how you can sell or buy Gonka nowadays. But in future, just several days later, it will be a bridge between Gonka network and Ethereum. Actually, it was quite complicated to find out how to find Gonka here in this wallet. So I just go here, just add and remove coins, and I turn off all networks beside Gonka 1. And so now it's visible. This is the only network that I use in this wallet. So I hope you will do the same. And if you want to know your address, you can go here and press copy, and this will be copied, and then you can send it whenever you want. So that's it. And one more. Gonka has its official Discord account, so you can go and see all information here in English, in Chinese, in Russian language. I use this one most. But be careful with scam, because there are a lot of scam now, especially this scam is on Solana chain, like this one, you see, Pump Fun. Somebody created with the same log crypto and now try to sell it. Don't use it, please. So use others. Use only places, the official one. Anyway, you can go always to official web page of Gonka and check their resources. So where do we have Gonka? And check their resources here: email, here GitHub, here Discord, and here Twitter. And this time I would love to show you a little bit of the GitHub. I don't know, most of you are not familiar with this stuff, but this stuff used for creating digital products for programming. So we can see here branches, main and additional branches. We can see here issues, so it's some kind of task where they discard their job. We can see here, let me see, somewhere here was pull request, yeah, this one. You see, 16 tasks are open and 386 are closed. So this is the place where development is going. So we can go to any of them and watch what was made here. So you see, one line was added in this task. Here, let's check which one is. Here you see this red and green. These are changes that were made after this task was implemented, merge request. So that's it. I hope now you do know much more about Gonka project. Now you know where to find out all information with documentation, with links for project main links where you can receive the information about this project. So good luck. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, you can ask it either in Discord or in here in Google Sheet, right, to Telegram, or you can go to any other communities that was created and will be created later. And here you see some useful links. Maybe you can go and look there also. And this is a place, actually, once more I want to say, where I calculate the return for investment. For example, if you buy this card IH200 for $25,000 US, so it will take you 1.9 years to return your investment comparatively to rent. So it seems like now is a good idea to rent this this stuff without trying to buy it. But maybe I'm wrong, so maybe you calculate it in other different, more correct way. So have a nice day, and bye.